Hello and welcome back again to our channel, Tutoring Made Easy. In today's video, we've been asked to find the simple interest of $500 at a 3.5% per annum interest for 6 months. Now, simple interest has been mentioned in this question, so we know that our simple interest is a formula, which is our SI, is actually equal to principal P multiplied by the rate, which is the R, multiplied by the time, which is our T, and then we divide everything by 100. So therefore, we can rewrite this as SI is equal to P times R times T all over 100. Now, the P here is our principal or the deposit, which is actually the $500. Our R, which is the rate, is 3.5. We don't need to add, divide by 100 because the formula is already taking care of that. Now, 3.5 is the same as 3.5, right? Or we can say 35 over 10. All right, and then our time here is 6 months, which is less than a year. But we know that 12 months represents 1 year, right? It represents 1 year. So what do you think 6 months is going to be? 6 months is going to be less than 1 year. And if we want a less number, we divide by the bigger month. So it's going to be 6 months divided by 12 months multiplied by 1 year. And then this month and month will cancel. 6 go here, 1 goes into 12, 2. And you're going to have half a year, which is the same as 0.5 year, all right? Or we can rewrite that as 5 over 10, all right? 5 over 10, or just the half that we had. So we can just come in here and plug it here. Plug it in here. We have our SI. It's 500 for the P, right? $500 multiplied by the rate, which was 3, we changed it into 35. We said it's supposed to be 35 over 10, right? And then our time there is also 5 over 10. And remember, we're going to divide everything by 100, right? So to cancel out, this cancels out, this also cancels out, and then we have the top part to be able to do our little calculation. If we take our calculator, we're just going to multiply 35 by 5, right? And then we also multiply by another 5, and then we're going to get 875 at the top dollars divided by 100, and that gives you $8.75. All right, I hope this helps. Thank you, and please subscribe.